tend Kanisa mar Redeemed Gospel Church mantiere Miritini Jomvu Mombasa koro ywakne piny owacho e bwo migawo mar lope mondo oresgi bang' jaket mwandu moro darogi e kanisa no motwoni oger e lope kane giloso gi jofwambo weche tend kanisa no konisa ni koro chunogi bago alame tent ni mar jaket mwandu no magichichgo ni chano yako lobno ne odhi ma oloro kanisa no kendo buono negi ni kik ginyona kanyo gikoni kata obedo ni burano nitiere doho kendo dhi nyime pok giyango gimomiyo jaket mwandu no ne okawo okang' mar loro negi kanisa no e bwo arita mager mar obila ka komachielo to gintiere gi oboke moyiedhi mane doho ochiwo negi magitimore sechegi ma ywaro mag lo timore ka
jirani wakapeana title wakasavii wakataka kuenda wakasema huko kwingine utakuja kumalizia. Kwa hivyo sisi kwa sababu ndio wanafanya tukwambia sawa tuwasubiri. So walivyoenda wakaenda kabisa. So walivyoenda kabisa ndio tukapata huyu bwana sasa akitokea kwamba anadai ni kwake. Sisi tukangojea kwamba tunakuja kufanywa survey, baadaye tunaambiwa kuna title iko pale. So ilikuwa kitu kigumu ambacho hakieleweki. Yule anaweza kuelewa hili jambo kwa undani ni watu wa lands katika wakati ule, yule ofisa wa lands wa coast wa hapa Mombasa. Anaweza kuelewa, anaelewa kile alichofanya hapa kwa hii shamba. Na mimi nilienda kule juu nikafanya search, hakukuwa na survey yoyote imefanywa wakati shamba. Lakini baada ya muda naona lot 2400 imeanza hapa mpaka mwisho imefinika na watu.
We had this from the judiciary. This one is from the judiciary, from the law courts of Kenya. And we were being told that this case is coming up for mention on 21st of this month. So if this matter is coming up for mention on 21st of this month, and there was a hearing on 5th of this month, how comes we were evicted from this place on 4th? And the court says there should be status quo until this matter is addressed. We feel as a church tunachezwa. And the government should arise to address this. Tusinyanyaswe na tutanyamaza until this matter is addressed.